Do you like your Spanakopita extra crunchy? Then this is the recipe for you. To make your Spanakopita filling, add feta cheese, ricotta cheese, eggs, cracked pepper, English spinach, lots of herbs, and spring onions to a bowl. Mix well to combine. Slice 2 packets of Fillo pastry into thick strips, separate all the pieces and set aside. Lay 4 sheets of Fillo pastry into your pan and top with 1 packet of cut Fillo pastry. Pat the pastry down with your hands and make sure you oil it generously. Pop it in the oven for 15 minutes. Evenly spread your Spanakopita filling over the Fillo pastry and top with another packet of cut Fillo pastry. Press down the pastry and brush it with lots of olive oil. Cut it into pieces before baking it until golden. Told you it was super crunchy.